I think the men very well to the big priorities. So, let me share something. About a year ago, I got laid off, and it was a huge blow. And I was pretty scared. But my wife and I prayed about it, and we prayed about it. And I totally let God have it. Let me tell you guys, I'm a planner, I'm an organizer, I'm a know-it-all the above. So for me to let God get full control of my finances was a huge thing for me. But the reason I wanted to share this was the reason why that I wanted to say this. How many people want to go out and say I got laid off? But it was a complete blow to my family. But I totally let God have it every day. I didn't worry. I didn't worry about the bills. I tithed my tithing. I'm so proud of that. I'm so proud of that. And I let God find me a job. And He did in His perfect timing. We went on vacation. We did everything we